What's up? We're gonna be reacting to
Tinder.
Button. Oh, certified OG. Oh, ilaba fan. Certified OG. Devon edition.
Do you niggas have the same parents?
And the same stylist and hairstylist.
They all look the same.
But yeah, bagqoke uniform. Teamwork and anyway, that's one area go to kunani la. Otherwise, like and subscribe, suggest. Volume. Oh.
What's up, everybody? It's your boys, the certified OG. Welcome back to another video, real life Tinder, Devon edition. Hey, mina guys, I know Tinder is very intense. It's very intense. I hope you gents are ready. Are you guys good? Are you guys ready? Okay. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, and do all of those good things. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified next time I drop. Make sure you enjoy the video and watch until the end.
Hi, it's Apalelo over here, _ it's Apalelo on the gram. And we're here. Thank you.
Hi, you good? I'm good. So my name is Theo, I'm 21, and you like playing games, right? Okay, so let's play carpenter. First we'll get hammered, then I'll nail you.
It's too geeky. I bet you, I am willing to bet, and I'm not even a betting man. Aside from the fact that I'm broke. But, principle-wise, most people won't even get this thing. Trust me.
Don't get what?
Even though
What he said, the punchline.
Everyone will get it.
Nah. We can put this to the test.
Everyone will get it.
Nah. When's the example?
those you live.
Well, like more so than the average girl.
She'll know exactly what I mean.
Nah, I trust me.
But yeah, let's go.
Hey, you good?
Oh,
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? No. Are you hungry? You hungry? Okay, so I got a ration for you, 2 eggs, and some milk. And for that, you'll be covered for the next 9 months.
Yeah.
What happened?
So what?
What's the left? I got Tinder. Tinder, mom reject.
Hey, I don't know.
No, mom reject her. Yeah, it's left.
Sizinsizwa thina sikulanda straight emgwaqweni lesikhathi ama-dating.
Guys, kushaya impa.
What the fuck?
Yozuvume.
Sifike kanjani lapha?
Yovuma yenkani.
No. We don't condone such things over here.
Okay.
We don't condone such things.
Yeah, we don't.
On.
Just promote it.
Njani? Ikamam, what's up, Theo? If I give you something to drink, will you show how good you can swallow?
Why bonke
Everyone is so sexual. Yes,
ezigugulwayo nakhona like kwenziwani la? Le ukhuliswe kahle afuna ukugwenyiswa zinja.
Shit. Okay.
Why is he so surprised with the good left?
Loud. Hi. Yeah, I don't have a pickup line, you know, ish. Okay, let me just make this easy for you. Swipe left if you think I'm unattractive.
Swipe.
Thank you.
Smart.
Done. Inqweleke leyo bafana bami.
She said right, didn't she?
Yeah, inqweleke leyo lo ufika hlala endabeni easy.
Oh, good Lord.
Hayi lento yenu. Peter McConnell nama-Russian, you sick fuck, sexualizing food. Nonsense.
Smart.
Hello. I'm good. My name is Jonathan. Well,
Nonke namagama
Johnny.
aphelele kwenzekani la? Jonathan, Theo, kwenzekani la?
Leaves fall from trees, tears fall from the eyes, but the best way to fall is to fall for me.
Bella.
Let's go. Yes, let's go. Do you believe in love at first sight? Or should I walk past again?
You didn't walk past, you walked towards.
Right? I pay, sell it. I mean, I don't mess, bro. Let's go. Let's make it easy, the boy.
You're pretty. I'm cute. Together we're pretty cute.
Yes. He's. Hey, what's up? I'm good, and you?
Abona-ke ijwi labuchopho. Abona-ke.
Always. Let's make it happen.
Yeah, what's up? You're good. I like your smile. You look cute though.
Okay. Lengane ngathi sheshe ithathe-ke na.
Kodwa kumncoma.
Hayi.
Umncomile.
Hayi, bayiseyagabaza manje. Hayi. Yonke hayi wena.
Yasineka.
Awu.
Scope.
Funeka intombi eyishingi.
Alright.
Hayi, sifuna ukumyuza. Yabadoda akhohlakele Nkosi yami.
You've been blushing. Damn, shit is real.
Hi, it's Misha Chazi, Misha_Zindela on IG.
John,
Pilinjan.
are you comfortable in that seat?
Yes, I am.
Because I have a better one here.
Left.
What did he say?
I've got a better one here.
Where?
Maqeda wayithinta indebe. Wait.
Are you comfortable in that seat?
Yes, I am.
Because I have a better one here.
Uyakhotha lo mfana. Uyakhotha.
Into wrong ukukhotha.
Okay.
Into wrong ukukhotha.
She's impepho ufuna ukukhuluma namadlozi. Ngazo lezo indebe lezo. Rubbish.
Angitsheli kabathi takakhothi.
Ngicela abazambaki basibeni ufuna ukushaya abazambaki nathi msuleni unonke.
Let's go.
Left.
Even she can't respect that shit. I do not make these things up. Yeah, bazokuhlonipha kanjani ukhotha.
She doesn't get it. No, she doesn't get it.
She doesn't get it. No, you're a sick fuck.
Uplay by yena.
Look at you trying to be the IQ guru. What the fuck? Akafuni.
Hi.
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 My name is Kevin, and are you an elevator? Because I'd love to go up and down on you.
Now you're caught.
Left.
Ngoba ngafuna ukukhothwa. Shithi kahle ingane ikhuliswe kahle ayisavuneki kulezi insuku.
Hi.
Hi.
You'll be the 6, I'll be the 9. Get those two combined, those are the years I'm planning for us.
Left.
Oh, yabona iphi into le.
He looks familiar.
Ile kade bayihleka kule video kaKing Omar. Wakhumbula? Le bayinyela like le yaseThekwini vele.
Oh.
Le bathi imfishane yenzeni. Le kade mina
Okay,
ayifuni.
ngekhumbula.
Iyo.
Le sithi le ethi buys off. Wena de bayitha spray, noma ile hade bayitha spray.
Iyo le.
Oh, iyo.
Iyo le.
Okay.
Labona lamantombazana
Hey.
ngaphi. Angibasoli ke senyayibona into ekade
He's
bayikona.
2 feet taller.
camera, baby.
Hi,
Hi,
you good?
I'm good. And how are you?
I'm good. Listen, I know you're not Rapunzel, but I can definitely pull your hair back when you're screaming my name.
Yabona. Bafuna ukwenza hayi le nto zenu leyo.
Awuba
Uphathwa amamams la.
cha into idom nado.
Oh,
Awudlali.
kodwa fana kodwa.
Awudlali.
Rubbish.
Uyakhothwa.
Into engishoyo.
Akakhothi.
No, into engishoyo ngithi ufana kodwa. Ajabulele abasiba.
Kungcono lithi ukona akutholayo. Mawufuna ubam Yoba ingane yabantu usunempahla. Unganayo nento phezulu.
Futhi alopecia.
Ama happy saphumile.
So blame amagaba amakhulu abo alopecia.
Sufana no Paul Heyman.
Into bifuna ukugqilaza nje. Hayi le ndaba zenu. Ufuna ukugqilaza.
Awuna amajit. I-round 1 wonke.
Batheni.
Bathembisa ubaqileza.
Ya ugqilaza ngokudla. Ukuphetha amarashini nobuqondo yini leyo.
No,
disgusting.
no,
freak.
it's metaphors for them.
Yes, but it's disgusting. Ake ukuthi umdala uqedile ngesikole ungiphethe irayisheni la. Uphethe irayisheni futhi side.
So on.
Yeah, masawon.
Awufunike phuze mfana.
So on.
Masawon.
Let's play a game of heads and tails. Tails, I'm yours. Tail, you mine. Hey.
I don't think you said that right.
So on.
Yeah, masawon.
Let's play a game of heads and tails. Tails, I'm yours. Tail, you mine. Hey.
Oh, I get what he was trying to do.
Yeah, heads. Either
No,
way, you
he said
mine.
tails 2 times.
Yeah, he said tails 2 times. Either way, you mine.
He's not make sure. He's just too.
What's
He's
not
not
bad,
make
yeah?
sure.
No, it's fine. No, go again. No, it's fine.
Go again for E. Why is it going again?
So on.
Yeah, masawon.
Njani. Let's play a game of heads and tails. Head, I'm yours. Tail, you mine.
He gave away the coin.
He is still dumb, but yeah. He changed the I'm yours to your mind.
Hellos.
Hi,
How you doing?
I'm good. And how are
What's
you?
your name?
Mita.
Okay, I'm Jonathan. Well, do you like poetry?
Yes.
Roses are red, violets are blue. There's a room full of hands, but I want to be you.
Right. Lefty.
Ukuthi uzoba idada. Ngiyandana nento yazi.
You got my line. Shit.
It's fine.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. And how are you?
I want to ask, did you get arrested earlier on? Because it must be illegal to look this good.
Right.
How old is this girl?
How old is everyone in this video?
when?
Hey,
Hi.
you good?
Come girl, boy.
Can I get you flowers after this, if you don't mind? Just to compliment you with your attraction, if that is good with you.
Right.
Right?
Honestly, out of all the pickup lines, I don't think there's a pickup line to tell you how beautiful you are.
Ingakho amantombazana ayuzwa. Babhilive izinto ezinje.
Into engikuthela yona ngigana unwabo.
Dave, honestly, you look tired.
Like I said, you probably look tired. Can you allow me to fuck you back to sleep?
Hi, bo.
Makashaywe.
You talk to
Makashaywe.
Do you talk to your mother with that mouth? Hey, I'm shy like a 1400.
Makashaywe.
As in Donna, you told her, oh, your things you come a pavement, didn't give me.
No matter what no matter what kitchen, ukshayisa. Ukshayisa kitchen.
I'm trying to what you're I'm shy 1400.
Yes. Uthola look at even I don't say fuck.
Ukhuluma nabantu abadala kanomlomo lo.
And fuck.
I know way.
What did she say?
I know way. To sleep. I know way. She felt it. I know way.
Can you see her?
Hi, I'm Susanda. Catch me on Instagram as Ususanda.
Never
Thank
mind,
you.
the man's on.
I'm good. I want to ask you something. Are you single?
I hope so.
Why would
Have you ever been in a relationship before? Okay, so you know how most couples like to finish each other's sentences? Yeah, I don't want to do that. I just want to finish inside of you.
Aye. Does she know what that means? I don't think so. I don't think she knows what that means.
I like that line.
It's irresponsible. Like ulotshola nini busy finishing inside of people.
I'm pro-choice now.
Pro-choice, eh?
I'm pro-choice.
Mama single mothers. Raising strong, independent black women.
Hi. Hi. Well, as you can see, this floor is dry. So, I need someone to help me wet it up. Do you want to come?
I think the problem with this line is that you could see it coming from a mile away.
Yeah. She didn't answer.
She don't get it.
Hello, you good? Can I get you some ice, if you don't mind? Oh, you have nice lips though. You have nice lips though.
Did I hear the whole thing?
Oh, can I get you some? Hello, you good? Can I get you some ice, if you don't mind?
Ice ukwenzani?
Oh, you have nice lips though. You have nice lips though.
Ipunchline liqala phi ligcina phi?
I understand ukuthi wenzani nge-ice, kwenziwani nge-ice.
Ini lip eyes, angazi. Yes, yes.
Ibanini military cool eMzansi. Like we are too comfortable.
Phelile iCovid, kaze badeka amabheret.
Stingy military cool manje.
Go down. You wanna go? Just go. Your bone structure gives my bone structure. She doesn't get it.
What is that to get?
Your bone structure
Against my bone structure. Hey Einstein, awusichazele lapho ukuthi uchaza ukuthini.
Hamba baba.
Jesse.
What's happening? Why are you scratching me, boy? What's up?
I can't speak. I'm speechless. Oh.
Ngicela ukukhotha nayo once.
Hi, I'm alright, and you? My name is Kevin, and I wrote a poem for you. Roses are red, violets are fine. I'll be the 6, you be the 9.
Kanti ukhohla ke le ntombi.
Willow Infinity.
Hello. How are you? Well, my name is Jonathan. What's yours? Sisanda. Oh, do you
Johnny.
like swimming by any chance? Do you like swimming by any chance? Yes.
Girls don't swim.
Well, I like swimming, but I'm bad at it. Do you mind if I practice in you?
Why is everything so sexual? Like, that's what I don't get.
Why are you swimming? Why are you swimming?
Amadoda adilize indoka wena ufuna ukuswima Nkosi yami. Bantu baphereleni
I
phaka.
mean, she's nice, but she's not swim.
Abantu baphereleni phaka ba code 14 wena ufuna ukuswima.
Teen unemployment 60.7. Wena ufuna ukugqina.
Shit.
Sakuma ukugqina.
I spice to my little eye. A 9 out of 10, because I'm the one in her eye. I spice with my little eye. A 9 out of 10, because I'm the one in your eye.
I spy. Give her credit. Give her credit. That line was a bit.
Akayazi le feeling yokuvuka ngo4 lead ama results. I don't think so.
John. You know, you remind me of the 20 letters of the alphabet, yes? The 20 letters of the alphabet, yes? 20 letters of the alphabet. You remind me of that one, yes?
He's trying to explain his own pun.
Oh, come on. You all have matching header.
Yabo, lo mqondo wena ukugugula izinto because bozothi Hitman Holla did this on Wild 'N Out because there's actually more and then it's like you are a QT then ubani nje lemfishane kambe
Cortez considered.
yeah con he was like no there's more he was like yeah okay, I'll give you the D later. It's like,
Oh, I remember that one.
he's trying to imagine what if you're talking to a dumb chick okaqedile isikole and then she's like yes there's 20 letters in the alphabet then what the punchline is gone.
Hey. Yeah. Apparently there's 99 bones in the human body, but I was wondering if I could add 100 to yours.
I hope you're not talking about the dick because
Technically speaking.
I see you didn't do science. So, yes, you love science.
Pickup lines are lies, but I honestly think you're beautiful.
They say shady.
Yes, she's bad. She's so bored. Jesus.
Are you a baker? Because I'd love to fill my creams inside your buns. Are you a baker? Because I'd love to fill my creams inside your buns.
The first time, Buang Zwang, but now
So
listen carefully.
Why is he getting another shot?
Play it.
You suck, you suck.
Yeah. It's a simple question. Can I poke you from inside?
How do you poke from inside?
And where are you gonna put? How are you gonna put your? I would think it's the hand that you would be using. I know he's talking about the dick, but yeah, if the
Can we
thing
please?
is just a metaphor for something else, then how do you do that?
Ngicela silwe in Somalia. Ngicela silwe. We need to go to war.
Ah, bro,
Please.
manje nalomngane wami
I've been doing push-ups like crazy.
sihamba lesiphaza siyoshaya impama amasomalensi washaya impama sathatha amavidiyo
So
siyalika
we need to go to war.
siyalika
Masiqeda ku-captions obhala fuck USA nabo beze.
ngoba
Akutshela.
Yeah,
Kube
sifuna ukuqala i-war.
kunuka igazi emgwaqweni.
abafane babe busy hayi
Bayidedela.
Hi, it's Entle Ngubane. Catch me on IG at ntombentle_mbomvu.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
Let's see if he's gonna fuck up the streak.
Big A.
Want to ask you something. You like games, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So let's play Titanic. You'll be the iceberg, and I'll go down.
Right.
I didn't watch Titanic. Can you explain that?
Hmm?
I didn't watch Titanic.
He said, "What? You be the ice and I'll go down."
Yeah, he'll be the iceberg and he goes down. What does that mean?
I'm guessing that he's the ship.
Okay.
He's the Titanic. He's gonna hit her and
because
go
it hit
down.
the iceberg, right?
He'd hit the iceberg. So I don't know
So
why
ufuna
you
ukukhotha.
would play the Titanic.
So ufuna ukukhotha. Plus akazwani ne-happy ending clearly.
Yes. Theo. Yes. Let's make it happen.
Khumula ijacket lambambeze.
Amagobade.
Isicaca.
Uzokhuluma isilungu.
Sawubona.
Yebo.
Njani?
Happy njani?
Bayigama nesibongo.
Enhle wangubani?
Wabani?
Bese khuluma isilungu.
Bovu. Zikode limhlophe. Angifani uma ngikhipha.
Kanti ukwenzani sonke isikhathi?
Yabona manje.
Ubamba
I've
ngempama, kunini?
been saying.
La uyini itshogo. Kamhlisa. Uye wembheki.
Yes.
Hello. What's your name? What's your name?
Enhle.
Well, I'm Jonathan. Do you know CPR by any chance?
Yeah.
Because you took my breath away.
Right.
Awares.
Hi, I'm Kevin, and I'll be your weatherman for today. If you swipe. I didn't say anything, but I okay.
Mfana Kevin. Athi kuyacaphuna mfana. Kuyacaphuna la. Bavela bathi right. Hey.
Thawusheshi ngani?
Awu. Khona koqo ungena wela phakathi.
It's in account number yakho.
Hey, he's not make sure. He's not make sure.
Right.
Sengifuna ukwazi iprice yakhe ke manje.
Is that
Now we don't have to look around the dictionary to find a word that describes her.
Left or right? Oh, right.
I don't believe in love at first sight, but you have me believing, considering love at first sight.
Left.
I like his attitude, Abo. Like, he's not trying to break his back. Wi-Fi password.
And it shows.
Kukula.
And it shows.
Winile. Ula wina kona, gacha kona.
Right.
Hey, how you doing? How can you feel the shot this? You know how material this is?
Tell me.
It's boyfriend material.
Left.
You thought you won, huh?
Okay, shit. See, growing up, I always wanted, like, not actually wanted, I actually looked up to Batman, Superman. But now looking at you, you know what I'm trying to be? I'm trying to be your man.
Right.
Yes. Yeah.
I like it because you couldn't predict it.
Yeah.
You couldn't predict where he was going.
Pogo still, but yes, I agree with you.
Hello. John. Good. What's your name? Ense. Ense, can I take you out to another planet if you don't mind? Just to compliment you. Oh, that's it, kids.
How got here, Masimba? We're busy taking people to planets land and cover Mantombazan and Kunwell.
Shit.
Weed.
It's a real happy heart.
Okay. So I've got the coin. So if I flip this coin, what are the chances of me getting hit?
50.
Okay, can I flip it then?
Flip it, let's see. I'm gonna say right because we are Pinduzala.
Sympathy sex, that's what it's called.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Joseph was good.
Gents, come. Oh, right. Hey, you wanna go again?
I'll go again.
Nasty.
Go again.
It may not look like it, but it's cold and scary outside. I wanna hide inside you.
It's a maybe.
What is a maybe? Oh yes, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. So we're back again.
Alright. That was Real Life Tender, Devon Edition, Certified OGs. Yeah, then later madoda amaningi kanje namantombazana uthu. Ratio.
About 4.
I think it was 3.
It was 4.
Lo manje.
Ilo manje.
Lo
before
lo bekaporekile.
Yeah.
Nalo qalo into emnyama.
Ilo qalo into emnyama. And then there was another one.
Another one ubani lo.
There was another one.
Mhlawumbe movie letha ngimkhohle.
Nangu uqala.
Oh lo. Oh. Hey. Stay in school.
Thini math enganeni?
No, it's not math. It's not worthy to store in the memory.
Fuck you.
But anyway.
Yeah.
Suggest you'll like, you'll subscribe. It's like, Ella. We have new content coming up all the time.
If you subscribe, we promise you'll get a video of us participating in this. We might even participate in this thing. Live Tinder.
Suggest any other video for us react to Guyo, and we will give you a shout out when we do so. Anyway, so bonana food.